everyone, in this video tutorial, I am going to tell you about an amazing application. That name is Google Go. Go to Play Store and first of all install it. Okay, after installing this application, now open it. Choose your language. If you want to change your language, go to Settings and click on Choose a second language. Now you can see that a list of languages will appear. You can choose any language, but I don't want to change my language, therefore I will come back. If you want to search something, click on Search. Now write here what you want to search. I am writing here technology, and I am clicking on here technology Wikipedia. Okay, now I don't want to read this. I want to listen it by someone else. Therefore, I am clicking on this option.
By Wikipedia. Technology is the sum of techniques, skills, methods, and processes used in the production of goods or services or in the accomplishment.
Now I am pausing it. Go back. If you want to search by your voice, click on the second option, Voice Search. After clicking, say what you want to search. Google will search according to your voice. Now, I'm going to tell you about the most interesting feature of Google Go, Camera Translate. With the help of this feature, you can translate anything in any language. Just you have to take a photo what you want to understand, which is written on a book, on a wall, or anywhere else. I have a line that is written in Urdu language. I want to translate it into English language. I have to take a picture, and picture is in my mobile phone. I go to Photos and click the photo. Now if I want to listen it, I will click on Listen.
नेहा आज से 30 साल बाद रिटायर हो जाएगी और इसे रिटायरमेंट के बाद हर साल 6 सफर.
Now I want to translate it into English language. I have to click on Translate. See here, it is in English language. If you want to search, tap on it, then search. You can see that you can search. Then if you want any other language for translation, you should go at the right corner, click on these three dots and then click on Change Translation Language. Okay, click here. You can see that a long list of languages. You can choose any other language for translation. Discover. By clicking this option, you find the latest news. And the next feature is, if you want to get images about good morning, good night, etc., you have to search these type of photos. But now, with the help of this application, you can find it easily. Click on Images and look at here. Night, celebrities, good morning. And same as with GIFs. You can get many GIFs from here. If you want to download GIFs, you have to click on it. Good morning. Want to download it, just click on download. And if you want to share it, then click on this share option. If you drag your finger at the left side, you can get many applications, top 10 applications, then social media, entertainment, Google applications, games. You can also play here. Just click on any game what you want, and I am playing at this time cricket. Okay, and enjoy the game. Oh, I am out. And this icon will appear on your home screen. Yes, here, cricket. Friends, I hope you will enjoy this application, and if you like my video, then share it and subscribe my channel.